Hello friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am going to show you how to make this very easy and very cute Friendship Day band. This is completely made out of paper and this is a lock so we can connect the band. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. For this we need ruler, pencil, liquid glue, quilling tool, one lock, one jump ring, scissor, nylon thread, some pearls and green and yellow craft papers. First I am taking this green color A4 size craft paper and I am marking from left side on 0.7 centimeter. Now I will start marking on 1.5, 3, 4.5 and 6 and etc. by leaving 1.5 centimeter gap each time. And from the left side I am marking on directly 1.5, 3, 4.5, 6 etc. by leaving 1.5 centimeter gap. Now I will join this 0.0 centimeter with this left side corner like this, and now I am joining this 0.7 mark with this 1.5 mark. So repeat this process and make some zigzag lines. Like this. Now I will cut the first zigzag line because we don't need that piece. So just remove this part first. We don't need this. And now start cutting this triangle shape from which we will create our first bead. So this is the triangle we needed today. Now I am taking the quilling tool and before that I am curling this strip using scissor from the starting, and now start making roll using the tool. Control the center part using your finger so that it will automatically get the bead shape. Now add glue in the end and secure this. So bead is ready. Isn't it very easy to create? You can add varnish to secure it. In the same way I have created 11 yellow beads and 14 green beads, and we also need some small size pearls. Now I am taking this nylon thread. This is approx 90 centimeter long and I have folded this in half like this. Now I am taking this metallic lock and inserting this loop through this ring, and now making one knot like this. Now take one side of thread, insert one pearl through this, then take other side and insert through pearl from top side. So we will make a cross through this pearl like this. Now take right side of the nylon thread and insert one green color bead. Take left side of nylon thread, insert one green color bead like this. Again take right side of nylon thread, insert one pearl, one bead, again one pearl like this. Now take again left side of nylon thread and insert one pearl and one more green color bead. Now I will insert this left side of nylon thread through this right side of the pearl from the top. So again we will create the cross through this pearl like this. So it should look like a diamond shape. Now I am continuing this process by inserting yellow color bead. So repeat this process till the desired size. So I have added total 5 diamond shape. It is perfect for my wrist. But you can increase as per your requirement. Now I am taking one jump ring and making some knots by joining both the threads with each other. Create 2 to 3 knots for more security. Now I am taking one side thread and inserting again back to this green color bead. Now I am taking one yellow color bead and inserting through this. Like this, and again insert the thread through this side green color bead like this. So now I will insert through yellow side bead and I will repeat this procedure till the end of all diamonds. So after adding diamonds, we have reached the end. So again I am creating some knots here. And inserting the remaining thread through these beads. And now I will cut this thread using my scissor like this. With the same procedure, I will insert this remaining thread through these beads. So the beautiful friendship band or bracelet is ready. My project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.